So, say you have an app that you're making, and you don't want it to be a big app. You want it to be used by just your family and friends. So maybe like 20 people. Maybe it's a website. That influences every single coding decision you make. So for instance, if it's a very small app, you can use something called SQLite, which is a local database that runs perfectly fast for a small number of users. It's very easy to set up and basically free. If you need 1 million users, or let's do something more reasonable, 100,000, there become questions when you're picking a database. What is it going to be used for? How often are they reading data from the database versus how often are they writing data to the database? Do we need reads to be fast? Do we need writes to be fast? Do we need consistency? These kinds of design problems, if you talk through it with an AI, it's the same as coming up with it on your own, because all of these questions are questions that need to be answered about your database, about your system that you're designing. And so AI, when I say AI will never take coding jobs away, it will never take that piece of the job away. It can help guide. It might be able to ask you those questions. And at some point, it'll ask you those questions. But there are a lot of questions, and that was just scratching the surface. So this fear around AI taking all coding jobs is markedly insane. Yes, maybe one day we'll have a system with zero trade-offs. But the reality is that's just not how these things work. So thinking about and designing these things is incredibly difficult. Just be very cautious of people making predictions. Elon Musk has been saying self-driving cars are coming next year for over 10 years. We still do not have fully self-driving cars.